sense. And just wanted to try my best, please subscribe. So, we are coming right from Nairobi. For Thailand. It's on a Monday, and then we have a trading later. Just like Monday, on a Monday morning, no? We have a lot of trek pursuits, guys. So I don't know. Like I was saying, like I don't know. It's like a very expressway. Seems to somehow reduce the traffic. But I don't know if it has reduced, but like what I can say is that we still have a lot of traffic in town. Yeah, a lot of traffic in town, but again, the government of Kenya, like they're doing a very big job. Like starting from the expressway, we have a mission changes in the city. Yeah. Guys, supposedly, like I've been doing videos from Nairobi, like since when this expressway like started. If you have not watched those videos, you can please go and check. Like I want to go somewhere, like I want to like do some videos from like a different place, like Kisumu, Eldoret. Yeah, but money is the problem because traveling is very expensive. Traveling is very expensive. You need to have a like fare. So, but again, we're not giving up. We still continue till when the time is right. Yeah. Please keep supporting me. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment, and also you can join my membership. And donate to the channel. Yeah, that one will really help me. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. In the end. From traffic today again, we have a lot of police in town. I don't know why. A lot of time, I don't know the reason why, but again, let's just continue.
Ni walevi, labda amekula yake.